Hey guys, it's your girl Naisha B. Welcome back to my channel. And I know I look a mess right now, but I didn't have any plans of recording this video. But I was about to make myself some shorts, and I figured I'll show you guys how I make them. So that's why I just decided to say, hey, let's record. Plus, I'm in Texas, and it's already 93 degrees outside, and it's just gonna get hotter. So if you want to see how to turn your jeans into shorts, then continue watching. Okay guys, so these are the items that you would need. Of course, you would need some jeans that you're willing to cut up, scissors, and then a marker just to mark the spot where you want to cut. Next step is to try them on. Okay, so I have the jeans on. Now we just gotta figure out where we want to cut them. I know I don't want them too short, but I do want them a nice decent length, you know? So you're gonna take your marker. I'm just figuring out a good spot to cut them. I'm gonna turn and look in the mirror. So I made a little bitty mark right here, and that's where I want them. And then you take them back off and you cut. Okay, so next step is you're gonna lay them flat on a hard surface. Next step you're gonna do is you're gonna get your scissors, find that line that you made when you put them on, and then you're just gonna cut that line. So next thing you want to do is lay it flat on your hard surface and just fold them. In that line you created, you just want to cut. Just cut the line. And this is how they came out. Now we're going to try them on. Okay, so this is how they came out. I think they came out really pretty. This is the front. This is the back. You see how they're not too short. So I definitely like the way they came out. Now we want to take them off and put our distressed part wherever we want them. Put them in the washer, dryer, and then you'll be having you some cute shorts. Okay guys, so I already know that I want all of my cut up and distressed part to be right here. on both sides. So just take your scissors. Like, I want mine to be as centered as possible, so I'm just going to lift them and then fold them as if you're trying to make a crease in your shorts. If you was about to iron them, I'm going to do them just like that.
This is how it looks. Can y'all see the cuts? And you just want to do the same thing to the other side.
Okay guys, so I just got them out the dryer. I'm going to get up and show you the final look. This is the final look. I think they came out really, really good. I love how distressed they look. They are hella cute. I'm definitely planning on wearing this probably this weekend because I'm having a game night. But yes, if you like how these came out, let me know in the comments. This concludes this video. Please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and support your girl. Here is Princess. Say thank you for watching. Say thank you for watching. Say bye. Say bye. Bye guys.